So hi everyone and welcome to the channel. I am AKS Razveer, your Unacademy and YouTube educator. So let us, this is the class where I am going to cover only and only 15 questions. On 1000 MCQ series, I have already completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let us all the link of all those classes has been given in description box. So let us आप check कर सकते हैं and then you can watch those all videos. My crash course that is already running on an academy platform, so learners you can join, and this is a paid class crash course. One more thing learners, because you also have a free class session too. So learners, on 31st of May, next day, so 31st of May next day at 11 a.m, a free live session. Description box I have already given the link of that class. So learn us 11 a.m. with 30 questions and based on criticism. So learn us please वहां पर मिलते हैं. Free class please आप register कर सकते हैं. Now let us see कि जो ये मेरा crash course है so बहुत important होगा, and I am going to cover cultural studies, non-fictional work, and then fiction, and yes, another part, so that is research method and material in English. So let us, you can buy my course, you can join my paid course. So join for at least 6 months and use my referral code AKS Rajveer. So learners आप different months के plans भी choose कर सकते हैं. Now see learners, this is the first question on your screen and I'm going to show. I think you are ready. So learners, this is the first question. Which English poet did Matthew Arnold disapprovingly call not one of the great classics in the list below? So let us see: Chaucer, Sidney, Spenser, and then Donne. So let us, these are the four options, and please select the correct answer. So let us, correct answer is first one, Geoffrey Chaucer. Matthew Arnold, a great poet, critic, alumnus, as well as a translator. He has written wonderful pastoral poems. And on criticism part, learners, he has given a prominent term, and that is touchstone method. That is touchstone method developed by Matthew Arnold. Matthew Arnold has written a critical work. This is known as Study of Poetry. Study of Poetry. And in this particular work, he coined the term touchstone. And what is the touchstone? So learners, these are a few passages. Yes. So these are the passages by Homer, Dante, Shakespeare, Milton, Gray, and all. So learners, these are the prominent figure. So learners, जिनके वर्क से मैथ्यू अर्नोल्ड ने कुछ passages को लिया है, passages of poetry, and with the help of these passages, he is going to analyze the quality of poetry of other works, other poets' work. Okay, so let us see. Correct answer is Geoffrey Chaucer, because learners, he is going to say that he lacks, yes, not one of the great classics, because he lacks high seriousness, I think. So learners, this is what you can see on your screen. Now see the next one. How did Johnson evaluate Shakespeare as an artist in his preface to Shakespeare? So he highly praises Shakespeare's art of characterization. Second one, he argues Shakespeare's characters do not belong to the society, a particular place, a time. They are universal, whereas in the works of other writers, a character is often an individual. So let us A and B and then none of these. So let us, you can select the correct answer and write it down on comment box, please. So now let us, you can see the correct answer on your screen. So correct answer, this is A and B. Let us, this is all about William Shakespeare and his characterization, quality of characterization. Johnson sometimes says, let us, Shakespeare has written about human nature, human nature, human traits, you can say. Now see the next one. The total number of poems in Shakespearean sonnet is, so learners, 123, 142, 104, and 5-4 लर्नर्स आपकी यूजीसी नेट एग्जाम में 2 टाइम आया है ये क्वेश्चन. आई नो लर्नर्स दिस इज रियली बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, बट लर्नर्स यूजीसी नेट एग्जाम में आप क्या, सो दैट्स व्हाई लर्नर्स आई एम शोइंग. So correct answer is D. 154 sonnets are there. So learners, these all sonnets are dedicated to three. Yes, you can say three persons. So three learners, you can say personalities. So first is W.H. Dark Lady, and then learners third one. So Love God. So the yes, Love God. Yes, Cupid. Cupid is the love god. So learners, love god को dedicated है. So learners, ये poems इनकी जो शेक्सपियर की हैं, sonnets. Now see which of the following statement about Christopher Marlowe are true. So learners, you can read the question. Edward II was written in the last year of Marlowe's life. Many critics consider Dr. Faustus to be Marlowe's best play. His Spanish tragedy comes a close second. Marlowe was less educated than Shakespeare. So learners, first of all, his Spanish tragedy is not by Marlowe. Then learners, Marlowe was less educated. No, because he was, yes, Marlowe was among university wits, among 7 university wits. And even learners, Shakespeare, वो educated ही नहीं थे. As Matthew Arnold said, self is scared, self is cool, and yes, everything is self. Self-honored, self-secure. So learners, yes, unless yes, you can say less Greek and less Latin, less Greek and Latin. So learners, this is what, this is quality of, yes, Latin, Latin. So learners, yes, Latin, less Greek and Latin. So learners, yes, you can say कि Marlowe, no. Edward II was written in the last year of Marlowe's life. So yes, many critics consider Dr. Faustus to be Marlowe's best work. So learners, yes, so you can say first and second are true. So correct answer is A. It means first and second correct. See the next one. Identify the author of the following lines. Let's see discovered to new words have gone. Let maps to other words on words have shone. Let us possess one word, is had one and is one. Shakespeare, George Herbert, John Donne, Henry Vaughan. So let us, you can select the correct answer and please write it down on comment box, please. So let us now, you can see the correct answer on your screen. So correct answer is third one, John Donne. And let us, these are the lines from a beautiful poem by John Donne. Because John Donne can be considered as the greatest poet, best poet, leader of metaphysical school of poetry. LNS, yes, John Donne ने अपनी poem बहुत बढ़िया लिखी. And yes, the good morrow, valediction, valediction forwarding morning. Okay, learners. And then the flea, canonization. So these are the famous poem by John Donne. Now see the next one question on your screen. So next one is Edward Bond's Bingo deals with the life of. So learners, this is Dryden, Shakespeare, Ben Jonson or Marlowe. So learners, correct answer. So correct answer is Shakespeare. So learners, B is the correct answer. Edward Bond's Bingo is based on life of Shakespeare. So learners, the complete title Bingo, Scenes of Money and Death. This work was published in 1973 by a playwright named Edward Bond. And yes, pretty learners, this particular work depicts William Shakespeare's life. William Shakespeare's life at Warwickshire from 1516 to 1660. 1615 to 1660. So notice this is the time period ki 1 year 16 से 1660. So 1 year के time period को. So the you can say learners is struggling or aging Shakespeare कि जो काफी aged Shakespeare थे, so उनको depict करता है ये वर्ड. Now see the next one question. So learners, this is who among the following poets compared human tears to love's wine? Ben Jonson, John Donne, Andrew Marvell, and John Suckling. So learners, do select the correct answer, please. Learners, I am going to show you correct answer on your screen. So correct answer is second one, John Donne. And learners, John Donne has written a poem, Twickenham Garden by John Donne. This is the poem. On this particular poem, you can see these lines appears. Hither with crystal fills, lovers come and take my tears which are love's wine. So let us, yes, you can see this is the part from Twickenham Garden by John Donne. Next one question, learners, on your screen. So this is Christopher Marlowe wrote all the following plays except, so let us see, Tamburlaine the Great, Jew of Malta, Richard III, and then Edward II. So let us, you have only 5 seconds, please. So let us correct answer. You can see, let us correct answer is Richard III. Richard III. Learners, this is the correct answer because Richard III, this is a historical play by Elizabethan playwright William Shakespeare. And learners, yes, Richard III is representative of yes, Machiavellian hero. Machiavellian hero. Okay, learners, got it. Tamburlaine the Great by Christopher Marlowe. Learners, this is in two parts. The Jew of Malta going to characterize Barabbas, a character, a Machiavellian hero. And then learners, Edward II. So this is also a best work by Christopher Marlowe. So learners, correct answer is Richard III. Now see the next one question. The English satirist who used the sharp edge of praise to attack his victims was Ben Jonson, John Donne, John Dryden, Samuel Butler. Now learners, I am going to show you correct answer. So correct answer is John Dryden. But learners, first of all, you must understand Ben Jonson, John Donne, Dryden and Butler. So Butler, learners, has written a work Hudibras. John Dryden, so learners, Absolute Necrophil, and then you can see other poetic work, Mac Flecknoe and all. And yes, he is famous for satire. Then learners, John Donne, so he has also written satirical poem. Ben Jonson, so learners, he is known for, yes, four types of humors. Four types of humors. Now see the correct answer is John Dryden. Now see the next one question, learners. Who among the following wrote a poem comparing a lover's heart to a hand grenade? John Donne, Abraham Cowley, Wilfred Owen, and Robert Graves. So learners, do select the correct answer and write it down on comment box, please. सो वैसे दोस्तों काफी अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं आई थिंक एंड PYQ से भी रिलेटेड है. So now I am going to show you correct answer. So correct answer, learners, on your screen. Correct answer is Abraham Cowley. So learners, Abraham Cowley, he wrote a poem and comparing to lovers heart to a hand grenade. This is what, learners. And learners, life of Cowley. Life of Cowley. Let us, this is the first chapter of Johnson's Lives of the Most Eminent English Poet. And on this particular first chapter, you can see, first author, Abraham Cowley. Let us, उन्होंने कहा था कि yes, there is a sect of 17th century group of poet who affects metaphysics. Okay, learners, yes. So, who has also shown yes, excessive wit and reason, not metaphysics. Yes, Donne affects metaphysics, learners. This is the statement by Dryden. But Johnson what said? So Johnson said just that there is a 17th century group of poet that is using excessive wit and reason in their poetry. So this is the statement. Now see the next one. Which of the following is not a work by Dr. Johnson? Preface to English Dictionary, Preface to Shakespeare, Lives of the English Poets, and then Cowley. Okay, learners. So now I am going to show you correct answer. So correct answer, you can see. So learners, D is the correct answer because learners, all these has been written by Dr. Johnson. but not Kavli. Learners, yes, Kavli. So this is life of Kavli. Life of Kavli on lives of the most eminent English poet, and this is chapter 1. See the next one question, learners. So Johnson's edition of Shakespeare appeared in 1752, 1765, 1791, 1760. So learners, now do select the correct answer and write it down on comment box, please. So now you can see the correct answer on your screen. So correct answer is 1765. Learners, 1765. Johnson's edition of Shakespeare that was appeared. So learners, yes, जो विलियम शेक्सपियर के प्लेस थे, सो 18th सेंचुरी के टाइम पीरियड में डॉक्टर जॉनसन ने और जॉर्ज स्टीवेंस, दो पर्सनालिटी थी, टू पर्सनालिटीज, सैमुअल जॉनसन एंड जॉर्ज स्टीवेंस। सो इन दोनों ने लर्नर्स एडिट किया था। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लर्नर्स, जो ये आपके सैमुअल जॉनसन थे, सो इन्होंने मैकबेथ को देखकर एडिटिंग स्टार्ट की थी, बट लेटर ऑन इन्होंने कंप्लीट इनके जो प्लेस हैं हैमलेट, ओथेलो, किंग लियर एंड ऑल, सो लर्नर्स उनको इन्होंने शामिल किया था डॉक्टर जॉनसन ने। नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट वन। After Shakespeare made his debut as a London playwright, he was described as an upstart crow by. So learners, जब शेक्सपियर ने अपनी डेब्यू किया कहां पर? लंदन प्ले हाउसेस में, सो किंग्समैन एंड ऑल। So learners, he was called by upstart crow. So who was he? Robert Greene, Thomas Lodge, Christopher Marlowe, and John Lilly. Please tell us. Now you can see the correct answer on your screen. So learners, correct answer is A, Robert Greene. And learners, Robert Greene, he has written a work entitled Groat's Worth of Wit, 1592. This is the time period by Robert Greene. And learners, he has written, for there is a bastard crow beautified with our feathers, that with his tiger's hurt wrapped in up layers so hide. So learners, you can see these are the lines. This is the attack made by Robert Greene on William Shakespeare. And learners, William Shakespeare got fame. What does the upstart mean? So learners, upstart means a characteristics of someone who has risen economically. यानी कि जो पहले गरीब रहा हो, low class में, अब वो थोड़ा सा सही हो गया. So that is, but lacks the social skill. But learners, वो अब yes, poor था, he was a poor one, but now become yes, rich. But learners, he lacks what? So yes, he lacks social skills. So this is the word, a kind of defending word used by Robert Greene for William Shakespeare. See the next one. Which of the following Shakespearean plays is in correct chronological order? So learners, see King Lear, Hamlet, Much Ado. So learners, which one is the correct chronological order? Please do select the correct answer. So learners, now I am going to show you correct answer on your screen. So correct answer is B is the correct answer, learners. Much Ado, Hamlet, and King Lear. So Much Ado 1598, and then 1601 Hamlet, and then 1605. So this is King Lear. Learners, HOKM, Hamlet, Othello, King Lear, and Macbeth. Why was Samuel Johnson called doctor? A big question. And learners, interesting too. He was a PhD holder. After publishing a famous dictionary, he was given a doctorate. He was a doctor by profession. None of the. So learners, correct answer please. So now you can see the correct answer. So learners, correct answer is after publishing famous dictionary, he was known as a doctor because he was given a doctorate degree. Okay learners, so that's why he is known as Dr. Johnson. He never completed PhD and all. So learners, thank you so much for this awesome session, and I would like to request please follow me, and then not only on YouTube, on an academy too, because learners, on an academy I am going to give you daily 30 question series, because learners, an academy is the platform ki jahan par aapko aise options mil jate hain and you can choose option by clicking just on screen, because learners we have poll system and all. So yes, you can visit me at an academy, and you can also join my paid courses, so that are yes, crash, that is crash course and even learners for paper 1 and for paper 2, both papers के लिए आपके लिए crash course available है at an academy. So thank you so much learners, and say let's crack it, and learners अगली क्लास में मुलाकात होगी, तब तक के लिए नमस्कार.